Hello guys, we've got a new update from the new Kaiju universe. Sorry about the last video, because the mic was off. I completely forgot to turn it on. But the new RODAN reskin has now come into the game. I'm still gonna show the other skins, the other kaijus, because I want to kind of make a little updated video for it, since I didn't actually, since you guys couldn't hear it. Yeah, here is RODAN's reskin, known as Noct. We've got number 1, Flaming Demon Lord. It's basically just like a bite. Yum. Right, demonic rampage. It doesn't actually seem like a demonic rampage. It's like, it just goes like... Right, so he does have some more moves, which I think we have to get to Heat Razor. Right, so Heat Razor. Flaming Demon Summon. So I don't know if you actually have to get this up to a certain bit just to use them. If I can't do them, someone please tell me how you do them, because I have no idea how you do this. Anyways, I'm kind of just quick drop the line with the new RODAN. If you want to know why I keep on saying RODAN, is because this is RODAN's reskin. So someone please tell me how you actually can do that, because I clearly cannot do it. Wait, oh, no wonder why. So we've got Rayful Charge. So that's basically RODAN's like dash. We've got Volcanic Burst, which I'm assuming is just like a But then after we've got Ragnarok. Oh yeah, no, isn't that what it's showing us in the trailer? Oh wow, it's bombs. Oh, by the way, I'm on the old map. Anyways, we are going to see the death animation. So it's basically just a clumbling down. Anyways, now we've got 9 out of the 15 kaijus we know of. And we've got Megalon. Well, basically Megalon. Muto. Gigan. Don't actually know because I didn't have it. Unless there's no kaiju, then doing that for, and then RODAN. Yeah, anyways, I'm just show like two of the kaijus and just do the others in a separate video. So I do actually want to try get RODAN in Jutsu. So I'm literally just going to grind with Albatross. And then a rat from Motio City. Oh yeah, I forgot I've got this skin. So honestly, I'm going to just do some grinding. Honestly, I don't know how you call, so I'll probably just end this like when I get to 5,000. Well, once I get to like 6,000. Just sweet, destroy some buildings. How the old KU was. Before I got rid of, before I got told it had to come on. Oop, daylight. Right, so I can't actually hear them, which is so annoying. Let's see. Yeah, so this is Megalon, and I'm gonna just showcase him. So we've got cleaning there. Oh, yeah, little. Get over. Get over. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I'm being tuned. That's just stupid. This is stupid. That's stupid. Well, this is a short video, but we'll just go ahead and just showcase the moves. Apparently I'm not allowed anywhere. Until kaiju gets this license, I'm gonna miss the door. Or well, Monster Zero. Do not mind what you can hear. Yeah, so we've got Cleaving Mayhem, which is just a stab. Brutal Break, which is a kick. Outworld is Fury, which is a ram. We've got Horrors of the Stars. Right. And then on second death is the Bane. Outworld is Smirk. Then Megalomania. Remember Sprint. And Outworld is Exploration, which is Dig. Right, so now let's see the swim. Right, so it's just like a swim. Also, by the way, this is the one thing I actually like. You can just go like. Now we can jump over a boat! Oh, dang it. We can definitely jump over a smaller boat. this. Oh, what? Alright, I think I've actually got some good speed, but you can now definitely jump out of water. Honestly, there is new flying mechanics. You know, way too far jumping then. Yeah, but you get just that you can literally jump out of the water, which is awesome because it feels like you're flying. Obviously, whatever flow it is, this won't actually work. So if you are a flow that ends up going in the water, jumping out, you would have to like just use fly, go like that, and then just to like show. Yeah, however, I do actually like for jumping out of water. Wait, let's see if we can jump over this island. By the way, yes, I am on mobile. Dang it. So I don't know if you want, like, if you get over land, it like says that you're no longer on, like, in water, so not on water. Like originally, you would have to like get up on the boat manually. But now you don't have to do it manually. You can just. Yeah, no. So I think the second you get over land, it says, yeah, just like it kicks me out of jumping in the water. Because even when I got here, it just kicks me out in the air. Anyways, jumping! I can see. I think there's a herd of the new RODAN. Oh, they're claiming the boat. I'm the sea predator. Imagine just see. Oh, fudge! Yeah. You can't claim this boat. This is my boat. My boat, and I don't know. I said, my boat. My boat. And